Today I am reviewing the Soundcore by Anker Q20i Hybrid Active Noise Cancelling Headphones. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Finding a pair of wireless headphones that deliver incredible sound quality, comfortable over-ear mechanics, and truly effective noise cancellation usually means spending a small fortune. Today, we are putting a major exception to that rule onto the microscope. The Soundcore by Anker Q20i Hybrid Active Noise Cancelling Headphones in Classic Black. Anker has built a massive reputation for disrupting the audio industry by packing premium, flagship-tier performance in a highly affordable gear. The Q20i claims to deliver 90% noise reduction, massive battery life, and complete companion app customization. Let's break down the physical comfort, acoustic design, and smart active noise cancellation features to see if these headphones are the absolute ultimate value king for your daily commute, office work, or casual listening. Let's start with the feature that completely steals the show, the hybrid active noise cancellation. The Q20i utilizes an advanced array of 4 separate microphones, featuring 2 internal mics and 2 external mics working in absolute tandem. These microphones continuously scan your surrounding environment to isolate and counter intrusive ambient sound waves. In real-world environments like a crowded subway carriage, a noisy office floor, or a drone inside an airplane cabin, this hybrid system effectively wipes out up to 90% of low-frequency external noise. It creates a tranquil, quiet pocket of space that allows you to fully focus on your music, a podcast, or a phone call. If you need to quickly check back into reality to listen for a flight announcement, converse with a colleague, or cross a busy city street, you can instantly toggle the physical buttons into transparency mode. This flips the internal microphone matrix to channel environmental audio directly into your ears, keeping you completely safe and aware of your surroundings without requiring you to remove the headphones. Acoustically, these over-ear headphones pack a massive punch, built entirely around oversized 40mm dynamic drivers. Right out of the box, the sound profile is lively, rich, and highly detailed, delivering exceptionally crisp vocals and a wide soundstage. If you are an absolute basshead who loves deep electronic beats, hip-hop, or cinematic gaming soundtracks, Anker has integrated their signature BassUp technology into the hardware. This digital signal processing algorithm analyzes your music frequencies in real time to instantly intensify and thump the low-end output. Best of all, if you want a cleaner, studio-grade listening experience, the headphones are fully compatible with official high-res certified audio. By simply plugging in the included standard auxiliary cable, you unlock uncompressed, high-fidelity sound that captures every single subtle nuance of your favorite studio recordings. Where Soundcore completely runs circles around the premium competition is its jaw-dropping battery performance. With active noise cancellation fully engaged, the Q20i yields an incredible 40 hours of continuous wireless playtime on a single charge. If you turn the noise cancellation off and operate in normal Bluetooth mode, that number jumps to an astonishing 60 hours of total battery life. For the average commuter or office worker, this means you can easily go 2 or 3 entire weeks without ever thinking about hunting for a charging cable. Even better, if you pick them up on your way out the door only to realize they are completely dead, the integrated fast charging system has you covered. A brief 5-minute plug-in via a standard USB Type-C cable yields an extra 4 full hours of continuous audio playback, completely erasing any battery anxiety. The user experience is further enhanced by a seamless integration with the official Soundcore mobile application. Instead of locking you into a single factory sound profile, downloading the app unlocks a comprehensive equalizer suite. You can choose from 22 professionally tuned acoustic presets tailored for rock, classical, podcasts, or electronic music, where you can manually draw your own custom equalizer curve to match your precise hearing preferences. The app also allows you to seamlessly manage the dual device connection feature. Operating on a highly stable Bluetooth 5.0 connection, the Q20i can stay paired to your laptop and your smartphone at the exact same time. If you're watching a movie on your computer and a phone call rings in on your device, the headphones intelligently pause your computer audio and instantly route the phone call through, returning back to your movie the moment you hang up. With cloud-soft ear cups that isolate noise passively, a lightweight padded headband, and a bulletproof feature set, the Soundcore by Anker Q20i stands out as an absolute triumph of affordable, high-performance audio engineering.